Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to discuss inheritance. So let's begin. Inheritance is a process in which a class gets the power to use the function or method of another class. So let's check it out. There are two classes on your screen. One is father class and another is son class, as we are seeing on the screen. The son class is the child class because the son class is going to use the method of father class. The TV method is inside the father class. That means the TV method belongs to the class father, and here the son is going to use that. How? Son makes an object which is AA is equals to new son. I have made an object of son and I am able to call the TV with the object of son. That is the feature of inheritance, that you can call a another method of different class through an object. Okay, so now how we have achieved that? After writing the extend keyword after the class son, I have made son a child class of father. You have to remember one thing is that the class whose name is written after the extend keyword is the parent class, and before one is the child class. Father is the parent class and son is the child class. Okay, so we have understood up till now. So I can, after writing this extend keyword, I am able to call the TV method of father class with the object of son, that previously we are not able to do so. Without writing the extend keyword you will not going to achieve that. Okay, this is the feature of inheritance which allows you to use the method of different class and makes you to write less code in your IDE, which is Eclipse over here I am using. So it will help you to efficiently manage different methods. If you don't want to write, you can gather the method from different class. That's it. So let's check it out, the example, that whether after using the son's object the message is printing or not. So here father is watching a news and father is watching a news. There are two methods, two messages are printing. I have said it wrong. Two messages are printing because I have made an object of son which is AA, and AA.tv calls the method TV of class father, which prints the name father is watching a news, and again I have made an object with the help of father class, and at that time also father is watching a news is printed as the object of father is called the TV. Okay, that is clear. So the next we are moving is that we will going to discuss how the inheritance is working. Inheritance is working in this way. Let's check it out how. So let's check how the compiler is working over here. After making an object of son AA, which is AA.tv, what the compiler is doing? The compiler is checking that whether the method which you are calling is present inside the son class or not. It is checking that whether the method is present inside the son class or not. Let me show you one thing, that if I want to change something inside the method TV, then I can also do that inside the class son. So here it is written void TV system.out.println son is watching news. So let's check it out, the new output which you wanna see on your screen. So this is here on your screen, son is watching a news and father is watching a news. Previously you have seen that father is watching a news is printing two times, but here son is watching a news is printed. Why it is done? Because on calling the AA.tv, the compiler checked whether the method TV is present inside the class son or not, as the compiler get that method and printed accordingly over here. Son is watching the news is printed as we have made that method inside the class son and have changed the message. But if we remove this, method, then you have seen that there are two times father is watching a news. Why this happening? The compiler first checks inside the class son that whether the method is present or not, and if it is not present, then it will goes to its parent class, which is father over here, and on that class it checks that whether the method is present is not. If the method is present, then it will print accordingly. If not, then it will show an error. Okay, so the use of extend keywords is that's it only. So we have understood up till now. There are three types of inheritance: single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and hierarchical inheritance. Single inheritance: only one parent class and one child class, therefore one class is extended to other, that means single, as we have seen before. Multi-level inheritance: there should be three or more classes in which they make their chain. Let's take an example. Assume that there are three classes A, B, and C, in which B is the child of A and C is the child of B. That means B extends A and C extends B. They are creating a chain, but as a whole, A is the parent of both C and B. Hierarchical inheritance, in which one parent and two or more child class A is the only parent and class B and C extends A. Okay, so these are the three types of inheritance. So for today we are ending this video now. We will meet in the next video with a new topic, that is how to use constructor in inheritance and what is the use of super keyword. So